There is three lights in the traffic signal. That is red, yellow, and green. Red light say stop. Yellow light say be ready. Green light say go. Everyone should follow the traffic rules and the same light. Thank you.
Today we celebrated Oxford Expo 24-25. At this event, there is showcase of creativity, curiosity, hard work of our school. The Expo is not just an exhibition of projects, it's a celebration of learning, innovation. As we explore the Expo today, we are going to witness how our students have turned their ideas into reality. The purpose of this Expo is to think out of the box. It's a triangle support we get for this Expo from parents, students and staff. So let's make this Expo a day to remember. And I wish all my students good luck. Thank you.
ಆ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ